Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? No WhatsApps were harmed in the making of this video. So soft. Korean makeup. It always fascinated me. I've tried so many Korean makeup products in the past. Some of them were weird, others were kind of bizarre. What is this, a mascara for ants? Did it shrink? What happened? But surprisingly, I've never actually tried following a Korean makeup tutorial. I've never tried doing Korean style makeup on this face. Today, we're changing that for good. I chose to follow this one. Look at her, she's adorable. She looks like a doll. And I'm wondering, can we make a potato look like a doll? I'm asking for myself. I'm the potato. Well, my friends, let's find out. We are diving right into the part... I'm sweating. You are not supposed to see that. We are diving right into the part with the foundation. She's using a cushion foundation. I don't have a cushion foundation, but I'm gonna improvise. I wanna use as many Korean makeup products as I possibly can, but I don't have that many of them. This is that foundation my boyfriend got me. If you've seen the video where my boyfriend picked my makeup, you know what I'm talking about. But it's very, very, very light for me. So I'm gonna mix it with my favorite. Come on, you already know what it is. I don't even need to say it. Cushion foundations come with applicators like the one she's using. I have something similar. Okay. I love this kind of applicators. They're so underrated. And they're so much easier to clean than a beauty blender. So won't you stay with me? And also, believe it or not, I think I have something on my forehead. Alright, hear me out. This makeup applicator is so good, it's slip proof. Not this kind of slip. Not this kind of slip too. There is no chance it slips off your hands while you're applying your makeup and falls on the floor. Perfect for clumsy people like me. Slip proof. Check this out. It's not going anywhere. Oh, my earrings slapped me. Oh, my brain. It's very sensitive. You wanna take a break while doing your makeup? Sure. There is no way you can lose it. This was a great advertisement. Why did you ruin it? I think that this is happening because this foundation that I'm using is quite sticky. So, you know, the applicator gets sticky. If you guys want to be traumatized by cushion foundation, after this video is over, go and check out the video where I looked makeup products under a microscope. But don't go now. No, don't go now. Stay with me. I love you. It's a little triggering. I'm gonna warn you. If you have trypophobia but you love cushion foundation, never watch that video. I'm great at promoting my videos. Never watch this. Now we're moving on to contour. Okay, but how about concealer? I have stuff to cover. She's using the brand Too Cool for School. I have the Peri Pera Ink V Shading Contour, which is Korean, I think. Yeah, made in Korea. She's applying it like somewhere here on the sides of her face, and she's taking it slightly towards the forehead. I don't think that she applied it in this area of the forehead. That's usually where I apply mine, because you know, it makes my forehead look a little smaller. We're gonna shot here, all the way down to the tip of the nose, under the nose, under the bottom lip. Guys, I've never thought of contouring the sides of my mouth, but I guess I'm doing it today for the first time. That's the purpose of this video. Me trying out new makeup techniques. What could possibly go wrong? Whoa! This added a lot of length to my mouth. Okay, maybe I overdid it. Okay, I fixed it. Is this how we do it? Or am I doing it wrong? I think it's the second. My lips are so dry. If you listen closely, you can hear my lips screaming. Or whispering rather. Lip balm. Lip balm. Alright. Don't die now. I need you in my life. My lips are always so dry. Next, we're also going to apply some contour on the upper lip right here. I'm afraid this will make me look like I have a mustache. Yeah, it does. Love that for me. But let's try to blend it a little. It looks like now we're gonna apply some contour from the eyes, kind of downwards, like this. And blending it out, I guess. I don't know. I don't really understand what we're doing right now, but I'm trying to follow. So, eyebrows. Well, nothing really interesting happened in this part of the tutorial. She just filled in her eyebrows and moved on. So did I. Okay, let's move on to the eye makeup. That's where things get interesting. That's where the magic happens. So we can see her apply some brown eyeshadow in this inner corner of the eye, like this. Then we're bringing that eyeshadow along the lash line, like this. And when we reach that outer corner of the eye, it's kind of going downwards a little bit, like this. Yeah, something like this. Gonna take some more brown eyeshadow and we're gonna place it in the outer corner now, like this. I think something like a yellow eye. That's what this reminds me of. Okay, this is new to me. The way I usually do my makeup when it comes to the lower lashes is I like applying the eyeshadows as closely to my lower lashes as possible. But we're not going to do that today because you can see that she leaves a tiny little gap between her lower lashes and the eyeshadow, which is quite interesting. Something like this is probably good. Oh no, I did a mistake. Danny, you had one job, to not make mistakes. How difficult can it be? I'm not qualified for this job. You can see that my line is kind of going downwards like this. It's pointing towards my nose, where her line is going back to the lower lashes. It's connected with the lower lashes. So let's try to connect them. Connection is important, especially the Wi-Fi kind. No Wi-Fi, no happiness. This is not how I imagine it going. Now we're gonna start blending out, and I absolutely love how simplified everything is. Although it's a very different technique for me, I've never tried applying my eyeshadows this way. It's quite easy. We're literally blending out those eyeshadows with the same brush we applied them. I love when they do that. I've seen so many Korean makeup tutorials. I've never seen this one, but I love it when they kind of contour. This thing over here, I don't know how it's called. See, if I do this, you can very clearly see it. So we're contouring that. We're adding definition. Eye bag. I think that this is an eye bag. I have a lot of eye baggage. Am I doing it right? What happened? When was the last time I slept? I look exhausted. Yeah, if you know how to do it correctly, it looks adorable. If you don't know what you're doing, you end up looking like this. Sleep? I don't know her. Sleep is for the weak. Also, no sleep makes you weak. Coincidence? I don't think so. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. I used to know. Okay, let's just keep on moving and see what happens next. I don't think that this is how we're gonna leave it. We haven't added the highlights, and the highlights will make the difference. They always do. Huh? Hold on, what did she do? I need to take a closer look. I think she added mascara. Oh yeah, that's definitely mascara. That's a brown mascara. I don't have a brown mascara. Can I just use a black one? I mean, you can answer me. We're starting off doing this, and now we're gonna start coating the lashes. Oh, okay. Okay, but now I really wanna go buy brown mascara. I've never had brown mascara. How I've been living my life without brown mascara? Remember when blue mascara was very, very trending? Imagine crying when you have blue mascara on. Cause you know, crying happens. That would have been a mild disaster, you know? Guess what's next? That's right, eyeliner. Even though I like a big bold wing, today we're keeping everything a little more subtle. Then we're gonna switch to a brown one. So this part made me very nervous. Like, very nervous. Basically what we're doing is we're drawing a line slightly under the lower lashes. We're leaving a tiny little gap there. My shaky hands are complaining right now. Believe it or not, this is actually what will make my eyes look enormous. We're kind of creating a fake waterline. We're extending it. I think that this is actually getting better. Trust the process. I can't trust the process. I have trust issues. Are those shimmers? Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, this is changing everything. I don't know how this will go. I have no idea where this will take us. But I can tell you one thing for sure. As long as we have shimmers involved, everything is gonna be alright. I have this ColourPop Crystal Cave eyeshadow, and I'll be underestimating if I said that, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous is not a strong enough word. We need a new word. Told ya, shimmers, always save it. I noticed something. Remember that little gap that we left between the lower lashes and the eyeliner? They don't really show that they applied something that looks like white eye pencil in there, but they did. Obviously we have different eye shapes, so I'm trying to recreate the whole look on my eye shape, and I think that for you guys as viewers, if you watch a makeup tutorial, that should be in the back of your mind. We all have different eye shapes, so when you're watching someone do their makeup and you're trying to learn, remember that you have to adjust it to your eye shape. So I think that it's very important to know what's your eye shape and how to make things work for you, and then learn everything else. And this can very easily happen with practice. You just need to practice. If you can't make eyeliner look good on you, just keep on practicing. Try different things. Try different eyeliner looks. Something will work for you. Something will look good. You just need to experiment. Okay, now we're gonna dip our fingers in the blush. This is also a Korean one. It's by the brand xoxoxo. Yeah, okay, here we go. Oh, I can see that she's taking that blush all the way up to the eyes here, and she's kind of like doing this. I don't know why she does it, but I'm gonna do it too. Oh my god, this blush is gorgeous. I really like the formula. It's like cream, but not exactly. I can do this, and now you can take a copy of my fingerprints and unlock my phone. Wow, this blush looks very nice. I never apply my blush with my fingers. Highlighter, that's what's next. I don't have a Korean highlighter, but I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter that I usually use. The first spot that highlighter will hit on my face is the tip of my nose. Yeah, we're also bringing that on the bridge of the nose. Alright. Ooh, that's bright. That's very bright. That's okay, it's bright and we like it. A little bit on the forehead here. Cupid's bow and chin. Inner corners of the eyes. I think that we're covering the whole face with highlighter. I'm not complaining. I love it. Yeah, we're unstoppable. For lipstick, she's using a very nice bright orangey red color. I am gonna use this one. I think that this one is a little darker. Yeah, it's darker. I found something that looks very similar. Obviously, I'm applying it on top of the other lipstick, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and blend it a little. When it comes to the lipstick, they do it very diffused. They kind of blend out the lipstick at the edge. But I applied a little too much and this is getting out of control. I watch a lot of Korean makeup tutorials. I find them very relaxing. And I noticed that they don't really define the lips by using sharp, crisp lines. They blend out the edges of the lipstick. So you get that very nice gradient where the most of the product is in the center of the lips and then it's fading out. It's very beautiful. Oh, wow. And I guess that's it. Come on, this can't be a bad idea. I am shocked. This is very different than how I usually do my makeup. Everything is very different. The eye makeup, the lipstick, the face makeup, everything is different. I mean, that's the whole point of this video. Me trying to do my makeup in a way that I've never done it before. Different countries have different makeup styles. It's like cuisines. And just like I want to try every food from every cuisine, I want to try out every makeup style from every country. Thank you. But let me know down in the comments what makeup style I should try out next. Maybe Indian or Arabian. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out that microscope video that I was telling you about earlier. Or if you want to see me talk and cook in foreign languages. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!